Hi guys, this is Priyanka and in today's video we are gonna create a cold girl makeup look inspired by the cold weather in Mumbai. I'm just kidding. We don't have cold weather here, but we are still gonna recreate it because it's trending everywhere. So let's get into it straight away. So cold girl makeup look is all about matte skin and rosy cheeks. I have seen a lot of videos related to this makeup look, but I have seen that they already have a very clear skin. So I wanted to try it on my acne prone skin and see if it works. It's winter, so we need extra hydration. I have already prepped my skin, but I need some extra hydration for this look. So I'm gonna use this Essence Calendula moisturizer cream from the Face Shop. Now that we are done with the moisturizer, we are not gonna leave our lip like that. So I'm gonna use this Laneige lip sleeping mask and apply it on my dry lips. We are starting with the skin first, so I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 01 and I'm gonna apply it to cover all the acne marks which I have and also my dark circles. We are gonna keep this look very minimal, so I'm gonna first use concealer instead of foundation and we'll see if we require foundation later on or not. You can also take a concealer which has a bit of a peach undertone to it so that it will cover all your pigmentation, or a concealer which is like very close to your skin tone. I'm now gonna blend this concealer using a beauty blender. Just slightly dab wherever you have pigmentation. You don't have to do this dragging motion. This is the first time I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer. For the first impression, I see this concealer does cover all my pigmentation. Now that we have covered our pigmentation and the acne marks, I see that we would need a little bit of foundation to cover all the darkness that is going on the skin. So I'm gonna use my NARS foundation for this one. This is in the shade Barcelona and I'm just gonna take one pump to cover the entire face. Now I'm gonna use the same beauty blender to blend this foundation on my face. You have to do the same dabbing motion that we did for the concealer. So we are done with the foundation and concealer and 90% of the acne marks are covered. I can see there is still some of the acne marks showing here, but it's okay because we are gonna keep it very natural and minimal. So it's cold weather and of course our skin is gonna look very dry during the cold times. So we need powder to set our entire face because we are focusing on creating a matte skin. So for that I'm gonna use this PAC HD high definition powder. It's a translucent powder which I'm gonna use. Taking the powder on a powder puff like this, dabbing the excess, and I'm gonna start pressing it on my skin. I'm just applying a very light layer of powder on my T-zone and rest of my face, leaving this area because we are gonna apply the lip and cheek tint there. Like I told you, this look is all about rosy cheeks and matte skin. So for this, I'm gonna use this lip and cheek tint from Recode. This is in the shade Goosebumps. You can use your fingers for applying this product as well. Apply it on your cheeks and take a little bit on your nose as well. Taking the same beauty blender and blending this. You have to apply your blush as if you're creating a W here. I'm gonna use the same lip and cheek tint on my eyelids and my lips as well. Once you're done applying your lip and cheek tint on your eyelids, just set it with a little bit of powder so that it won't crease. If you don't have lip and cheek tint with you, it's okay. You can just look around in your vanity. You might have a liquid lipstick close to dusty pink color and you can use that as well. Moving on to the brows, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Kit and I'm gonna take the product in this spoolie and brush my eyebrows in an upward direction to create bushy eyebrows. If you have gaps in between, you can just take a powder product and start filling in. I'm taking an angle brush like this, taking the powder, dab the excess and start filling the gaps. Finishing off with the eyes, I have seen a lot of them using highlighter in their inner corner. I have not used it yet. We'll see later on if we require that or not. But I'm gonna curl my lashes now and apply mascara. For the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Always remove the excess mascara here, otherwise it's gonna transfer in your eyelids. I think we are almost done with this makeup look, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner and on the side of my cheeks. And for that, I am gonna use this pack highlighter in the inner corner and on my cheekbones. Taking it on a pack brush, the number is 383. Taking a little amount of highlighter and adding it in my inner corners. For the face, I'm using this pack fan brush in the number 278. Now that we are done with this makeup look, I can say that it is 100% approved makeup trend for an acne prone skin like me. I have only used 7 products to create this look, so I can say this can be included in your everyday makeup look, but that depends on you. I'm very happy with the way this look has turned out, except for the lips, because I like to use lip liners to shape and overline my lip. Watch the video here to see how you can do that for yourself. See you in the next one. Bye.